Welcome. In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W and I'll show you how you can switch on this device. So you have to take a look on the right edge of the smartphone and just look on this button, right? It's power button. So what we have to do, just click and hold it until the logo pops on the screen. So keep holding. Right now we can release when you feel the vibration and see this caption on the screen. And right now we have to wait. After a few moments our smartphone will be turned on. So right now we are able to use our lock method. And right now we can easily use our smartphone. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.